Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can change your country or region within the Asphalt Legends Unite game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Asphalt Legends Unite on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, just click on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now from here, click on Game Settings and you will now see the language and control setting. Go ahead and click on it, and now at the right side you will see the country or region section. Just scroll through the various different countries and then choose whichever country you wish to set your region as. After making your selection, you can simply tap on it, and now you can go back and your changes will be saved. After this, you can continue to play your game with your chosen country or region right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your country or region on the Asphalt Legends Unite game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.